This video will help you learn how to fix your stranded inventory on Amazon. What is a stranded inventory? Stranded inventory is FBA inventory in fulfillment centers that does not have an associated active offer and thus is not available for sale. Amazon will notify you about stranded inventory in these ways: by email, on the Fix Stranded Inventory page accessible through Manage Inventory page, in the notifications section of your inventory dashboard. It is important to check these pages as stored inventory, even if stranded, accumulates storage fees. To see your stranded inventory and solve the related issues, follow these steps. From your Seller Central homepage, hover over Inventory and click on Inventory Planning from the drop-down menu. Next, click on the Fix Stranded Inventory tab on the top. In this page, you can see the list of current stranded SKUs and why each listing is stranded. Hovering over the stranded reason for each listing will display more information and recommended actions for you to take. For each listing, you can see how to fix the issue explained in the stranded reason column. Select your action from the drop-down menu on the right. An additional source of information you can use is the Stranded Inventory Report. From your Seller Central homepage, hover over Reports and click on Fulfillment. Then, from the Inventory section on the left, click on Stranded Inventory, which will display the stranded reasons and actions to take. Why can inventory become stranded? Inventory can become stranded for a variety of reasons. You'll find a full list of all the reasons and actions to take by searching for Resolve Stranded Inventory Issues in the search bar on your Seller Central homepage. A table of the most common reasons for stranded inventory and the actions you can take to resolve the stranded reason can also be seen here. Stranded inventory will be automatically removed or disposed of based on your settings. Adjust your settings by clicking on Edit Automatic Action Settings and selecting Click here to review or Edit Automatic Removal Settings. If you have products pending removal, you can see the auto removal date and removal method on the auto renewal date column. If you change your automated removal settings, it may take up to 24 hours for the auto removal date column to update. If you would like to delay the removal for a specific FN SKU, use the drop-down arrows to the right of the listing and select Delay Auto Removal for 30 days. Let's look at key features on the Fix Stranded Inventory page. Here are some one-click actions to solve issues for each SKU from the same drop-down menu. One-click relist allows you to relist without leaving the page. To edit the listing before activating it, click Edit or Relist. One-click change to FBA allows you to change fulfillment channels without leaving the page. This option is available only for listings that include dangerous goods information. Bulk and automatic actions are available to select up to 25 items. Bulk relist allows you to select up to 25 items to relist at once. After choosing these items, you can then relist all listings at once with one-click relist as the recommended action. Bulk one-click change to FBA allows you to select 25 items at once to change fulfillment channels. After choosing these items, you can then relist all listings at once with one-click change to FBA as the recommended action. Automatic relist will automatically relist inventory that has been stranded for 14 days under these stranded reasons: listing closed and inventory error, item discontinued. Adjust this setting by clicking Edit Automatic Actions Settings. You can find additional information on this by searching for Stranded Inventory Overview in the search box on Seller Central homepage. If the recommended actions are changed to FBA, relist, or create listing and affect large quantities of stranded inventory, you may be able to fix these issues in bulk by using Bulk Fix Stranded Inventory Report. Note, this report will not include listings where the recommended action is Create Removal Order. For the self-help tool and more information on this topic, type Stranded Inventory or Stranded Inventory Overview in the search bar on Seller Central homepage. This wraps up our video on fixing stranded inventory. Thank you and happy selling!